No needles? A weight loss pill might be here soon. Obesity hits 4 in 10 adults, and injections turn many away. Meet oral Wegovy, the same GLP-1 science, now packed into a once-daily tablet under FDA review. It dissolves, releases GLP-1, and tells your brain I'm full. GLP-1 slips through your gut lining and jets into the bloodstream. Then rides the flow straight to your pancreas, where it docks on beta cell receptors, triggering a burst of insulin to steady your blood sugar. People lose about 15% body weight, and new data shows a 14% drop in heart attacks and strokes. Just swallow with breakfast. No weekly shots, no fridge. Stay informed. Subscribe now for essential health updates and visit Afshar Medical Group